ng lupa. Kabishi ko, hi Matthew! Inaantok. Yes, Torowel. Grace, ikaw palagi ka talaga nagpupuyat at tigas ng ulo mo. You know, Mary Grace, I told her not to sleep early in the morning. I told her to sleep, ano yan? Ano tawag doon? To sleep earlier, not early in the morning. But you know what, Mary Grace Francisco has a hard-headed. Is a hard-headed. It's how many times that I told her not to do that because of her eye, you know. Aray ko. Yes, she is always sleepy. That's why your body has a red eye. She has a red eyes, but she can send me a red gift. Kabishi ko! Ako, pag nagigising ako ng 3 or 4 a.m., di na ako makatulog. Huwag mong gagawin yan, kabishi ko. Every time na magigising ka ng 3 a.m. in the morning, paglabanan mo ang antok, paglabanan mo yan, pilitin mo makatulog kasi pag hindi ka na, pag palaging ganyan, ang rotation mo, if you can't sleep anymore when you woke up early as 3 a.m. in the morning, until you get older, you are always waking up that time. You must to fight for it. You need to sleep even though you're not you can't sleep. Just lay down on your bed, close your eyes. Oo. Naging ganun ako. Last time I do that. I woke up early in the morning about 3 a.m. up to 4 a.m. in the morning. I tell to myself that this is not good. I need to take to back to sleep. Pinipilit ko talaga, ayun nagigising na ako ngayon, alas 5, alas 6 ng umaga. My sleeping hobby is, you know, very, very good. When I lay down on my bed at 6 in the evening, I can sleep it early. Then I woke up about 5 o'clock in the morning or 6. It's depend on me. Yeah, dami ko kasing iniisip Kakalok. Huwag ka mag-isip, Diyos ko tatanda ka bigla. Tatanda ka bigla pag umaba ang muka at ikaw ang siyang kawawa. Kasama mo ako, kasama rin kita sa hirap at ginhawa. Kabishi ko, puputi yung buhok mo, bala ka. Mangungulubot agad yung mukha mo. Huwag mong gawin yan. Hala, Sagato is here na. And he is collecting the 200 pesos for her pay. Come on, talk to her. That's all that thing is say thank you to everyone and to Will also. Kabishi ko, andyan si Sagato.
Wow, ka-Diyos. Gabagat Mamer.
Mamere.
Mameresti.
Mameresti. Ayan, good morning everyone. Woo! Ayan, thank you for coming. Ayan.
Nako.
Magigising ko lang. Nagpapera. Joke lang, thank you po.
Dali, upo ka muna, kausapin mo muna sila. Magpasalamat ka sa lahat, hindi lang sa isang tao.
Oo, sa lahat ng kaibigan ko. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Lalo po sa Sir Bell, Papa Bell. Ayan,
And say thank you to the Lord.
Yes! Lord, magapi pa akong salamat. Gawin pa akong salamat ako dahil kabigla akong salamat.
Lakasan mo yung boses mo kasi hindi nila
Madali
naiintindihan.
lang, hindi pa ako nakapag...
Ang dami mo drama sa buhay. Mabugbog ka yan.
Bugbog burn. Hello. Good morning everyone. Yes, Gato Mix Vlog po. Ayan, invite ako dito sa aking binsan.
Aray!